In this video,
we will learn how to enable 60 FPS in Fortnite Mobile. So if your mobile device is unable to play Fortnite at 60 FPS, you need to check out a few things and make sure that everything is in place. Firstly, you need to make sure that your device supports the 60 FPS mode in Fortnite. So not every mobile device supports the 60 FPS feature of Fortnite. Some devices are stuck with 30 FPS. And if you are stuck at 30 FPS on your Android or iOS device, all you need to do is just make sure that your device supports 60 FPS, which you can check from these two articles in the Epic Help section. So on your Android device, you can easily download and play Fortnite by just downloading the Epic Games. You can also try to play from the Google Cloud Gaming Service, NVIDIA GeForce Now and Amazon Luna. And the Android devices that support Fortnite at native 60 FPS are here. So OnePlus flagship devices and Samsung flagship devices are recommended. Also, the new Asus ROG phones can also run Fortnite mobile at 60 FPS natively. So some Android devices can also run Fortnite at 60 FPS, which includes everything after iPhone 11. And all of them are capable of running Fortnite at 60 FPS in those devices. After checking your mobile device is optimal or not, you need to also ensure that your battery has sufficient battery left to play the game at 60 FPS, and it doesn't enable the battery saving modes, which oftentimes limit performance. You need to also make sure that power saving features are disabled for Fortnite in your device settings. You can also check how to disable the power saving features of your Apple device by the article given in here. And for Android, you need to check the specific phone manufacturer's instructions. So in iPhone, if you want to turn the low power mode on and off, just go to settings, then battery. You can also turn low power mode on and off from the control center. Go to the settings, then control center, then customize controls, then select the low power mode to add it to the control center, and after that you can use it to enable or disable the low power mode. So this is how you can easily enable the 60 FPS feature on your mobile device and play Fortnite on mobile at 60 FPS. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.